unfortunately, in this business, time is money, so we need to get in there and get the information and the right information. Tech-Assist hotline is very helpful. I actually used it this morning and was able to call a gentleman named David. David, you there?
Jeff, I am. How are you doing today?
Fine, sir.
Okay, and I understand you've already installed the Rescue Lens application on your smartphone?
They change these cars every year, so sometimes the components, we just have to figure out where they are. And you know, if you have somebody that on his end that has the information, he can help us find it quicker. It's very simple. You use a phone and call them, and then they can live stream and they can show you different components. You know, they can talk to you and walk through stuff, you know, so if you don't know where something is, they can guide you.
In your particular case, you have a rough idle, correct?
Correct.
I would go and verify. I'm going to go ahead and freeze that again. And in your case, I would verify at idle, do I have any vacuum here?
Okay.
We don't want any vacuum there at idle.
Okay.
If we do, it's going to hold that valve partially open.
All right.
It's entirely possible that valve's being held open due to the vacuum control solenoid that operates it, which I believe is right over here.
Okay, perfect.
I believe that it might be leaking a bit, and as a result, manifold vacuum is going there. You shouldn't have any vacuum there at all at idle.
Okay, I'll get a gauge on it.
If you don't have any vacuum, I think my next step would be to actually physically remove the valve and make sure the pintle isn't being held open by carbon buildup.
Okay. Sometimes, even as techs, we know a lot, but it's nice to have another tech on the line to throw things back and forth and help out.
Well, thank you very much, Jeff, and thank you for using our service. Bye-bye.